Hello viewers, I am Ezeko Precious and I want to specially welcome you to my YouTube channel. And on today's video's lecture, I'll be teaching you how to transfer data, talking about your waypoint track from one GPS to another. And as you can see, I'll be using the Garmin GPSMap 64X. But before we proceed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in case I have other good videos, just to notify you. And if you have questions concerning this particular video tutorial or my previous videos, you can leave your comment, your questions on my comment box. I'll be transferring a waypoint from this particular GPS to this particular GPS. And to be very sure, let's check and see if we have any waypoint on this particular GPS. So all you need to do is to go to the waypoint manager using the page button. No result found, which means there are no waypoints on this particular GPS. So I'll need to make sure both GPS are connected. So first of all, I'll go to the receiving GPS. When I say receiving, I mean the one I'm going to transfer the data to, and go to share wirelessly. Then I'll go to receive. You can see the GPS receiver trying to search. This is the particular GPS that I'll be transferring the waypoint from. So I'll go to share wirelessly using the page button. So I'll go to send. What do I want to send? I want to send waypoint. And this is the particular waypoint I'll be transferring wirelessly to the other GPS receiver. So I press enter. So please pay attention to how the data is going to be transferred between the two GPS receivers. So I'll send. It's as simple as that. Press done. So also press done. So I've succeeded in transferring one particular waypoint. I still want to transfer more of the waypoint. I'll still go to send waypoint. And let me send the second waypoint. Press enter. Well, before I send, it is good I receive first. Searching. So I'll send. wireless transfer complete. Done. Done. So this is how you can send your waypoint from one Garmin GPSMap 64S to another. And I also want to show you how to transfer or send a track from the same GPS receiver. So it's the same procedure, but since I'm already in the share wirelessly page, all I need to do is go to send, but this time around, not waypoint, I'll go to track. But before I send, let me receive on the other GPS. Searching. So I'm already on track. Press enter. I want to transfer this save track. So I have different save track, but I want to transfer this particular one, share data. Press enter and then press send. Wireless transfer complete. Done. Done. So let's see if we have the waypoints and the track on this particular GPS receiver. So all I need to do is to use the page button or use the quit button to check. Waypoint manager. Press enter. Here you can see for yourself the two waypoints we transfer from the other GPS. We have it on this particular GPS. So let's also check for the track. Track manager. Yeah. It's also here. Share data. So we've come to the end of the video tutorial, and this is how to share your data, be it waypoint, be it track, be it pictures, any information you want to share wirelessly. This is actually how to do it. And I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Please, like I said at the beginning of this tutorial, subscribe to more of my videos and like, and then ask questions, make comments concerning the video on my comment box. Thank you very much, and God bless you.